We're going to show you just some beautiful colors today. We're all about the color fuchsia and just pulling it in and making it a great outfit with it because it's really pretty. So this is a print. Both sides are usable. I'm not even sure what side is the right side. It's just lovely, absolutely lovely. It's a cotton poly, has great drape, semi-sheer. You can wear it simply on your own. You can see as I put it back to something, you can't see it. It has a silver side, which I feel certain is the right side, but it's just lovely, just really beautiful. It's a woven. This is a knit. It's maroon and obviously goes well with these colors, so that's why I put it in. Has stretch in both directions. It's 100% cotton. It's just lovely. I put it in just for kind of finishing. If you wanted to put a band on something or do something of that nature. Beautiful sheer again for a blouse, just pretty. The fuchsia color is the black. It is a polyester. It is 100% polyester. It has great drape. It doesn't even feel like a poly, but boy, it burned poly. So it is a polyester, but lovely to sew on and pressed really well. I was really surprised. Fuchsia for a blouse. So this is where we really get the opportunity to have and you can use the mat either side, where we can have the suit. Okay, I'm just so excited about this combination. We just rarely get it in. So this is a cotton poly and perfect for a blouse. Has great drape, thin, a lining even. It's just really beautiful. Where this is a cotton silk poly combination. It's a stretch woven. So what I'm seeing is 1950, like Max's jacket, even a pair of slacks to match, a suit. And then you could do that monochromatic, or even if you paired it with jeans, you could still do that monochromatic look that is so beautiful blouse. So this is a cotton poly. It is a woven. This is a stretch woven cotton silk poly. And then we have this wonderful little 100% cotton, which I felt like coordinated so beautifully just to go with any of them. So you can see they're just all a little family here. So the goal is just with these beautiful fabrics to have some happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.